Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from one of the state university, and it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government faculty job notifications in this pandemic situation. So after a long time, we got this state university recruitment notification from the multiple departments as well as the huge number of vacancies are there. So don't miss this opportunity. And please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those departments. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, so University of Lucknow, and it is one of the state university, and in its official website here you may check down in the vacancies of university advertisement for the post and self-finance programs on a contractual basis. So if you click on this one, and then you will be directed to the in detail PDF notification regarding this recruitment. And this advertisement came on 29th July 2021. That means very recently we got this one. And online applications from Indian citizens are invited for the post of professor, associate and assistant professor on contract basis in various self-financed programs run under the different departments or institutions of the university and director in the Institute of Management Science in the University of Lucknow. And the detailed advertisement and submission of application form shall begin from 31st July 2021. And applicants are advised to go to the careers blog menu of the website for a detailed advertisement and application. And the last date for submission of online application form is 20th August 2021. And coming to the details regarding the vacancies and all these things, so you may check down, guys. The departments I'm going to show you. So while coming to the arts, economics and modern European languages, economics and home science, public health, and journalism. Okay, so you may check down the assistant professor vacancies, and as per the caste category also, the number of vacancies are divided here in this table, so you may check down, guys. And tourism studies, ancient Indian history and archaeology, and geography, fine, and psychology and anthropology, forensic science and political science, public administration, physical education, and criminology and criminal justice administration, community medicine and public health and social work in community medicine and public health, and management science under the commerce, and BCom as well as MCom, and applied economics, business administration. And coming to the engineering and technology, electronics and communication, and computer science, mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, and engineering physics, so applied engineering or the engineering physics, and engineering mathematics, management and engineering management, applied engineering management and civil engineering, and pharmacognosy and pharmacology and pharmaceutical chemistry, law, and food processing and technology, computer science, zoology, genetics and genomics, molecular biology and biotechnology, chemistry, and botany, plant science, environmental science, and microbiology, and naturopathy, yoga. So total these are the different departments, and here I may check down. As per the caste category, the number of vacancies are mentioned here. Okay, 59, 49, 43, 3, and 17. Okay, so these are all the different vacancies from the different departments, guys. Okay, so you may check down here. And after completion of this table, here you may check down the associate professor under the self-finance program. That means whatever the vacancies we saw in the above table, all these vacancies belongs to assistant professor, and here the associate professor vacancies are also there. And after this one, the professor vacancies are also mentioned here. Okay, So comparing with the associate and professor, assistant professor vacancies are a little bit more. So the candidates who are having the enough qualifications, then please try to apply for this one, guys. Okay, and the qualifications for the above post will be as per the UGC regulations 2018. So as per the UGC regulations 2018 for the assistant professor post, the candidate must have the post graduation in concerned discipline with the 55% of marks, and apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, and in that 55% in post graduation, 5% relaxation will be there to the reserved categories like SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer, like that. Okay, so to get the accurate details, you may visit the UGC regulations of 2018. And the salary also as given here as per the university norms. And application fee, a non-refundable application fee of 1500 rupees for unreserved OBC EWS candidates and 1200 rupees for SC, ST. So the application fee, yeah, and note is given, and the few general instructions are also mentioned here. So if you want, you may go through all these instructions carefully, guys. Okay, so these are all the points mentioned regarding this recruitment notification. Anyhow, they mentioned here that from 31st July onwards, the online application, okay, will begin. So you may check the detailed advertisement and submission of application form begins from the 31st July 2021, and applicants has to visit the official website of this University of Lucknow. Fine. So these are the details regarding this advertisement for post, assistant professor, associate, and the professor vacancies in self-finance programs on contractual basis. And I will provide this official website link in the description box of this video. Okay, so to get the accurate and more details, you may once visit the official website and check down the notification. Fine. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one, you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.